Hey everyone, it's Allie, and today I'm going to show you in this video the gist of week 1 building routines and quantities and numerals 1 through 5. I want to keep this video really brief as an overview, so it's not going to go into detail on how you build the routine or about the different slides like the transition slides that come up in everyone. It's just about the math in week 1 and the different content that's covered. So I'm going to skip ahead. Right. The first thing students will experience is learning how to do the warm up. And this is the first time they'll see the moving GIFs, and that's meant to show them the motion of how you write. And that gives you a chance to move around and check how they're holding their markers, which is really important. Make sure things are facing the correct direction, which is important. So while they're warming up with this, and this one's really easy and I wouldn't spend a whole lot of time on it, but you can move around and look at how they're holding their pencils during this particular type of warm up that lasts the first week or two. The second thing is this curved shape of a rainbow. Again, a great time to move around and make sure students understand how to make it and check how they're holding their marker. All right, I'm going to skip ahead to one of the later slides that will better show you how this next numeral part works. All right, so this isn't the day 1 number, but I'm going to just pretend to do this like I would for my students. And they will have done something like this already up to this point because in the first week, we build up their understanding of these quantities and their matching numerals in order. So I'd say, "What is this?" You're probably going to have students immediately shout out 4 because numbers under 5, it's really easy for students to subitize or see really quickly without counting. And I would say, "Let's count to check." This is where the animation helps you build those one-to-one correspondence counting skills. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Let's see what 4 looks like. This is how we write 4. And I would have them possibly trace it in the air with their marker first. And then I would say, now let's write it on your boards. And then I would walk around and help students who need help putting the 4 in the correct direction. Oh, what way is it going? Or holding their pencil correctly. And if someone says, how do we write it? I'd say, look on the board. It's showing you how to write it. And students will get used to using the board to show them. And honestly, I have never had that many students ask me how to write it when they can see it for them. So that is the basic gist of week 1. Pretty straightforward. There's about 4 different numbers to write every day with the warm up. Drop us a comment if you have any questions.